Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I'll guide you to see the like post which you have done by yourself on Instagram. Now, if you want to see the like post which you have done by yourself on Instagram, you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Instagram app on it. So if you have not installed the Instagram app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. And after that, you just need to open the Instagram app on. So as you can see, this is the homepage of Instagram, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the stories set by other people at the very upper task. Now you just need to click on the option of profile icon at the very bottom right. So this is a profile icon where you'll see all of your profiles and all of the things right here. So click on the option of three straight lines or the menu icon at the very top right, and here you'll see the option which says saved, archive, your activity, notification, time management, and all of it. So click on the option of your activity, and here you'll see the option of likes, comment, repost, tags, sticker response, reviews, and all of it. So click on the option of likes, and here you'll see the number of likes which you have done by yourself. So if you don't like any post and you want to remove it from here, so simply click on the post and unlike it by clicking on the option of love, or you may simply remove it by clicking it once. So that's it. That's how you can see the like post on Instagram. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.